Good day, everyone. Today, I am excited to discuss an intriguing topic that has sparked many conversations and some controversy. Does mixing honey with hot water make it poisonous? This question has been widely debated, and addressing it requires separating myths from facts while exploring the science behind honey and heat. Let's dive in. The myth: there is a popular belief, often rooted in traditional practices and natural medicine, that heating honey or mixing it with hot water turns it into a poison. This idea has gained traction in certain communities, particularly those influenced by ancient Ayurvedic teachings. According to Ayurveda, heating honey can generate toxic compounds that negatively impact health. But what does modern science say about this claim? Is there a genuine risk, or is this merely a misunderstanding of how honey behaves when exposed to heat? The chemistry of honey. To understand this topic, we first need to explore honey's composition. Honey is a natural sweetener made up primarily of sugar molecules like glucose and fructose, along with trace amounts of amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. What makes honey unique is its enzymatic content, particularly an enzyme called diastase, which helps break down starches. However, enzymes are heat sensitive. When honey is exposed to temperatures above 104 F40 C, these enzymes begin to break down. If the temperature rises further, around 140 F60 C or higher, honey's beneficial compounds, including enzymes and antioxidants, are destroyed entirely. While this reduces honey's nutritional value, it does not necessarily make it toxic. The toxin debate, hydroxymethylfurfural HMF. Here's where things get interesting. When honey is heated or mixed with very hot water, a compound called hydroxymethylfurfural HMF can form. HMF is a byproduct of the breakdown of sugars under high heat. Research has shown that high concentrations of HMF may have toxic effects, particularly in bees. Does this mean HMF is harmful to humans? Not necessarily. Small amounts of HMF are naturally present in honey, especially as it ages, and are also found in many processed foods like baked goods and coffee. The levels of HMF in heated honey are generally too low to pose a significant threat to human health. You would need to consume enormous quantities of heated honey for HMF to have any adverse effects. What happens when honey is mixed with hot water? Mixing honey with hot water doesn't magically transform it into poison. Instead, it reduces its nutritional value due to the loss of enzymes and antioxidants. However, as long as the water isn't boiling, this process is unlikely to generate harmful levels of HMF. If you're concerned, you can use warm water below 104 F40 C to preserve honey's health benefits. The takeaway: to conclude, the idea that honey mixed with hot water becomes poisonous is largely a myth. While heating honey does alter its properties and can reduce its benefits, the resulting changes are not harmful to humans in any meaningful way. That said, if you want to maximize honey's natural goodness, it's best to mix it with lukewarm water instead of boiling hot. Thank you for listening, and I hope this clarifies the science behind honey and heat. Let's continue to enjoy honey responsibly and reap its many benefits.